my crush.
Hi, I'm Devin. It's like Kevin, but instead of a K, it's a D. And instead of an I, it's an O. And this hunk of junk is my bike for Mishigami 2025. It's a beautiful, dirty Truckamanda 2022 or 2023. Don't really know. Let's see. We got 2 feed bags, 2 water cages. We also have a Aero rear bike rack because the tail fins are just too expensive. I'm running the Seattle Italia Flight Boost Gravel something or another. I don't know. It's brown. And then the cockpit, we got a Wahoo Bolt, I think version 2. Then we have 2 Raveman lights, to keep things lit at night. Matching Raveman rear lights. Now, let's see. We got a spare tube. We got the Shimano 105 group set. We have the beautiful stock aluminum wheels running the Pirelli P7 Sport. Don't know what that means, but they're there. Let's see. What else? Oh, the Profile Design Aero bars. Not set in an aero position, more for comfort. Not sure what the height stack is. Maybe, I don't know, it's something. Let's see. We got a pocket rocket pump, just in case we get a flat. I'm going to be carrying inside, we got a fast charger, safety vest, also have multi-tool. I think these are patches, some cream which I won't use, some extra chamois cream, a head torch so when I break down at nighttime I can see what I'm doing. We have an extra spare battery up top here. Let's see. Yep, it's in there somewhere. That's basically just going to hold the battery, some charging cables, some extra food. I have a feed bag laying around somewhere. I'm not sure where that's at. On the back, we're going to have a, now I might as well dig it out. Might as well have a Farm and Fleet special yellow bag that's apparently waterproof. Water resistant. That's going to carry my sleeping, some extra bits and bobs, some change of clothes, I suppose, and that's about it. Hopefully this wreck of a bike will get me around the lake. I guess we'll find out. Thanks.